Hello everyone, my name is Ayushi and today I am going to speak on the topic of the analysis of the four sector. First one is the automobile sector, second is the social mobile, social music, and third is the education sector, fourth is the SaaS. One by one I will briefly describe the sectors and one of the startups of the company. First is the Bike 24 by 7. At Bike 24 by 7, we do everything possible to deliver the best bike to our customers. You will get the best bike as you want depending upon the needs and demand of the customer. In this sector, they buy and sell their products from the customer and you will get different benefits of the company. First is the finest inventory, second is the refurbished as good as new, and experience 360 tour, buy 100% online, doorsteps delivery, easy financing, and much more. You will get the 7 days trial at the first time and you will get many more things features. Now second is the Socialmob. It's a new mob app. Hi, I'm Socialmob, a music networking app exclusively for indie artists and music lovers. Check me out for free music and podcast, radio, and lot more. This is the new Socialmob app for the music purposes which you want to hear, and here you can put more work. First is the you can put your videos and photos and make new friends by that. Here we bring the spotlight to individual artists who are upcoming talented music creators. There are also various engaging podcasts from across the world. Tune into online radio to enjoy indie music 24 by 7 with a just tap and make friends and people who like the same beat as you do. Join us today and support the indie music. This is the new startup. Now third is the education sector. For his app name is Edvizo. It's an online marketplace to help students and parents find, compare, and enroll in the best and trusted private institutes in their locality. At the same time, enabling institutes to get more students through our platform, thereby helping them reduce expenses on marketing and branding. This is the this is the coaching center which gives you highest scholarship, online admissions and monthly payment fees, 100% refund and free demo classes for most of poor students. This is the free coachings to poor students up to the scholarship, 50% tuition fees and much more. You will find the new education sector Unremo. It is the sector is a virtual office platform for remote working to help employees and companies to work together through video calls and tags and chats. They have launched their new product Hunt. On Unremote, you can create teams and collaborate with remote team members on a video-based inferences, seamlessly, intensely video chat with any of them on single click, no calendar invites, no meeting URLs. More details on their blogs. Now, as an intern of finance, I want to tell you that I will be investing in the education sector because it is the upcoming area of uprise, and for the youth it is much more important, and it is giving the poor the free education and free demo classes for some of them, and payment opportunities are also less. So in my opinion it will be upgrading much more, and it will get the social interaction with the people and get the much support, and it will maintain the goodwill also. So in my opinion I will be investing in this sector by the time. Thank